This is the chest press cable machine. If you ever forget what it does, there is a plaque on it that will explain and demonstrate some of the different ways that it can be used for your chest or pectoral muscles. In order to get it set up for yourself, you will want to find a weight that works best for you. I recommend starting low by removing the pin and sticking it in at a low weight. You can always increase your weight if you feel like you need more of a challenge. This specific machine does not have an adjustable seat, so you don't need to worry about that. There are 2 separate cables, one for each arm, and they do have separate weight stacks, so make sure that you adjust both of them to the same level. One way you can use this machine is by doing a press, a forward press. So we're gonna grab the handles, and the nice thing about the cables is that you have more range of motion. So if you have any shoulder injuries or anything that might feel uncomfortable, you have a little bit of wiggle room. So you're gonna take your hands forward, pressing. Imagine you were doing a push-up on the floor, instead you're upright and your weight is in your hands. So push and release. The other option is to do a chest fly, which is going to work more of the outer chest muscles. So go ahead and start wide, bring your hands in, and then kind of wave them out like a rainbow. Bring them forward and bring them out. That's your chest fly.